said ghost. Oh no. I said ghost. Did I see that?
Yeah. I showed it to him last night. And he said it's going. Good morning, guys. Lynn! What did you just do?
Avocado.
Don't put it there long. Very messy, man. Come on, have your breakfast. So, it's Friday. Yay!
And it's Thursday.
That's right, yeah.
And you know what, my Miss Marsh going to the Ec on Monday.
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
So you'll have a new teacher on Monday?
Yeah, I think so because she told me that she's going on Monday. It's still close to mine.
That's right. It's just the day after us.
Because it's Sunday, Monday.
Correct. What's wrong? That's strawberry. Hmm?
Yeah.
Nabihisan ko na sa Ate Paris, guys, ng kanyang uniform. Ito, nakapangtulog pa. Papakainin ko muna kasi kapag nagbihis na yan siya tapos kumain, tingnan niyo.
And you know what? I have to spoil her.
Okay, I'll just get her to eat first. Come on, Ate, because you still have to do the homework. Come on. Ito, kailangan talaga ng push tong ating to. Yes. So, ito yung tinatanong ni Ate Paris kung nakita ba daw ng daddy niya. So, pinakita ko kagabi, ang kami na lang dalawa yung gising. It's the Father's Day celebration. Ayan, end of August, Thursday. Tapos sabi ko pa kay Daddy Mike na, you can't go anyways kasi Thursday and look, ayan, sa hapon, 2:45. And sabi ni Daddy Mike, I'll make an effort. He will go daw. Oh, iba. Daddy Mike na talaga ang pinakamalakas. What is it?
Can you read it to me?
It says
The fourth.
Father's Day celebration. Dear Dad, you are invited to our prep Father's Day celebration on Thursday, the 31st of August, 2:45 p.m. You stay there and you eat, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. I read it to you. You said you want me to read it. Just want you to eat, okay?
But
I did what you told me. Please do what I'm telling you. Come on.
Can you tell her after this part?
Eat.
I made you.
She's so...
Mommy, Ninis.
Yes. Come on.
Auntie.
Yeah.
Auntie.
Ati.
I said sit.
Hang on, there's yogurt on the...
Sit. Of into a lot of fog.
Good girl. I'll do Selena's
My way,
hair.
I know
While
that
Ate Paris
number.
reading, guys,
I
and we
know what
will
number that is.
off to school.
20.
123.
Oh my gosh. Huff. Puff. Huff. Puff. I know what puff means.
What's puff?
Puff.
Yes, puff, puff.
Puff. It's like the puff that's on the floor. The full puff.
That's Ati's anak ko.
Auntie, again.
Have it din. Good girl.
I want
Mahilog man yung manghudog.
into a
Vitamins.
big fat rock.
Good girl. Well done. Finished?
No, it's not.
Oh. That's a finish, I think.
You can do this.
Oh.
It's Ati.
Ati. That's Ati.
I can do this.
Nak, come on, nak. Right lang. So Daddy Mark is working in the office today, guys. Did you hear Daddy Mark said I love you before he left lang? Oh, you seriously.
No.
Honey! Lini, look here, babe. Look, tita and tito. Say morning, guys. Say morning. Hang on, that's Ati's. That is Ati's homework. Ati's gonna. Hello, what happened to this? Oh no! It came off from that lang. Ayaw, anak ko. Okay, makasapantang. Yeah. Okay. Okay, do it. It's okay, look. It's very cute. We'll put it on your head. No? Shush ka, maldita na lang yun. Sige lang. Come on. Wow! Look! Show tita and tito your bunny. See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Okay, hala. It's not stapled lang.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one is new lang. Oh. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay.
I think we have to do
Wake
it
up
this way.
soon.
I'll do very good today.
Hop little bunny. Hop,
Mine,
hop. Okay. So
that's the quicker one.
we're set, and we will go soon.
A few moments later.
Thank you. Come on, keep going. Leni's gonna close it. Good girl si Leni. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang pa-outfit today. Oh.
Ati!
Ate! Kanyang ate yung
Mommy.
Sabi ko kasi sa kanyang ate, guys, diretso ka na ha kasi late na tayo. Huwag nang pa ano. Kinikinig naman talaga yung kanyang ate, guys. Malis. Agad-agad. Wawa naman to eh.
It's no worse unless
There you go, Ate's there. Anak, did you hear her call you? Ate, wait, she said. Aww, come on. Come on.
Hi, James.
Hello. Come on, keep going. Come on. Oh, it's 26 degrees today, guys, but in the morning it's very fresh. Here, Abigail, where are you going? Wait, Ate Paris' classroom is here. No, he wants. What is it? Slide. Okay. This way, Ate.
By the way,
Gusto niyo naman ng slide. Give Ate Paris a karohang a kiss. Give Ate Paris a karohang a kiss.
slide.
I know slide, but we have to put Ate Paris' bag here first. Okay, Ate? Okay, just leave her, Ate. Come on. Give Mommy a kiss.
So have a look at my plants.
Oh, wow. It's growing lang.
This is my plant.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, yeah, Paris. Good girl. Come on. You say good morning, okay? Mwah. Ito namang isa. Yes?
Mommy, oh, slide.
Slide.
Mommy, come my hand.
Hand, okay. Oop. Oop. Whoop. Good girl. Nandito na naman tayo sa static electricity ay sakit na to. Swirly, swirly. Swirly, swirly. That's nice. Oh. Alam niyo ba guys, yung suot niya? Ito. Yan yung nabili ko from, alam niyo yung Sunday market na pinuntahan namin? Last Sunday? Yan. Sobrang kasya sa kanya, guys. It's super cute. Ito sa kanya na yan yung pangilalim. Pero yung bunny, super nice. Tingnan naman, may raffle pa sa likod. And this one, best shoes ever have.
Our shoe.
Sure. Do you love it? It's super comfy, guys. Hindi siya umiiyak. And also, I think she likes it because it's pink. So, okay lang na yan yung ipasuot ko sa kanya. But yan, nabili namin yan, magkano ba yan, nak? $20 ata. Doon, kasabay nung skirt. Yan yung suot-suot niya everyday. Sobrang ganda. Slide?
No.
No. Kaya bilis naman talaga magsabi ng no. Come on. Now, would you like to go to the bigger slide? Lini, look at the bigger slide. Do you want to go on the other side? Hand. Come on. You can slide by yourself. Electricity na naman tayo nito, nak na. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Wow! Magkakape si Mami niyo. Hindi pa ako nakapagkape. Are you okay, anak? Nanay na mo dito. Are you okay? Umuwi na lang kami. Dapat sana kasi 10:30 merong story time si Baby Celine sa library. Although it's still 9:30, guys. May oras pa naman. But sabi ko, uwi na lang kami kasi minsan straight na lang kami doon ba, hindi na kami umuwi para hindi na kami pabalik-balik. But this time kasi Baby Celine may sipon. Si mami niya din, guys, is may sipon. Kaninang umaga nga, sabi ko kay Danny Mike, I have a blocked nose kasi Daddy Mike cuddled me sa bed. Tapos ayokong mahawa siya ba. So sabi ko, I have a blocked nose. Kasi pag si Daddy Mike yung nagkakasakit, guys, ano talaga, parang aluyan ba? Ano ba yan sa Tagalog? Parang nagkakasakit talaga siya. Tagal mag-recover. Kaya sabi ko, we'll just give some miss this time in library. Hindi na lang muna kami pupunta ng library. Meron din naman kasi akong dapat gawin today sa bahay. Sobrang dami kong gagawin. Pupunta ako na post office. Dami kong bibit-bitin. I have to pack everything. Where are you going, anak? May mga ipapadala tayo, guys. So, may naibenta si mami niyo online. Kailangan siyang i-post today. Alam niyo ba, mapapasa na all kayo kay kuya last night. So, may nag-message sa akin. Ngayon, kasi parang maano ako doon sa traumatized doon sa isang Chinese lady, 'di ba? Na sabi na bibilhin niya yung bag for ang daming bag, tapos worth of 5 grand. Tapos hindi niya binalikan. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa talaga siya nag-message sa akin. So si kuya kagabi, especially kapag lalaki yung nag-message, guys, medyo naano ako kasi mga bags, 'di ba, pambabae. So sinasagot ko lang, I'm being professional naman. Tinanong niya ako yung magkano daw yung mga maroon or burgundy bags ko. So ako naman, kasi yung mga bags ko na yun, medyo matagal na sa akin. So sabi ko, I want to sell them now. So yung mga presyo ko is super, na talaga, like, puhunan presyo na talaga para ma-dispose ko na. Para ko na yung, mapicturean ko na yung mga bagong bags na dating. And, so binigay ko sa kanya ng sagad talaga, guys. Hot, yes, hot coffee. Sagad na sagad yung presyo ko. And I didn't expect na legit pala siya, guys. 3 yung burgundy bags ko. Tapos tinanong niya sa akin kung magkano daw kung bibilhin niya ng 3. So ibabundle daw niya. So kahit na babang-baba na yung presyo ko doon for like single item, binigyan ko pa siya ng another discount. Kasi sabi ko, kung tatlo rin naman yung kukunin niya, di ba? Sabi niya na surprise daw niya para sa asawa niya. Talagang napasana all ako sa kanya, guys. Kasi ikaw ba naman i-surprise ng asawa mo ng 3 bags? My God, mabubuang ako. Oh my God, he's very nice, ha, to do that for his wife. Kasi hindi lahat ganyan, di ba? So, sabi ko, nung sinabi niya sa akin na para surprise daw niya sa asawa niya, doon ko binigay yung extra discount. Sabi ko, okay, yes, it's a surprise for your wife. Kasi parang naano din ako ba, parang na-touch din ako. So, kinunan ko pa ng another $80 ata yung diniscount ko sa kanya. So, nung sinabi niya na, okay, send me your details, send ko yung bank details ko, guys. After a few minutes, boom, nandun. Hindi ako na-expect, ha, even though hiningi na niya yung bank details ko, hindi ako na-expect ng kung ano-ano, kasi mahirap kapag umasa. Mahirap kapag umasa ka. Binili niya yung 3 bag. Kaya yun yung ipapak ko ngayon and dalhin natin sa post office. Kaya sabi ko, grabe bongga to si Kuya, Wala pang maraming tanong-tanong, guys. Sinend ko yung pictures, yung mga detailed photos para alam niya, kasi mga pre-owned yung paninda natin eh. And he said like, yeah, looks great. Sinend niya sa akin yung address ng asawa niya and pangalan ng asawa niya. Send doon. So, bongga. Bongga talaga. Hindi ako makagit over kay Kuya talaga eh. Sana all. Sana all talaga si Kuya. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha, yung coffee. Ito yung mga burgundy bags. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, this one. Remember, nabugos din to siya last time. Remember? Na hindi sumipot yung bibili. So, see, yan yung sabi ko sa inyo, guys. Na each and every bag ay meron talagang nakatadhana na may-ari. It might sound crazy. Pero, guys, talaga. So, ayan. So, siguro favorite, kulay ito ng asawa niya, no? Kasi ito man talaga yung binili niya, oh. Pa-ibang style. Ganda naman ito, eh. Bait naman Mr. Ay. And then, I've got this one to post as well. And then, meron pa akong isa. So, marami tayong gagawin today na posting. Kaya, sabi ko, sige, hindi na lang muna tayo punta doon na may sipon din naman tayo o reasoning pa more para hindi magpunta sa So, ayan, kailangan nating ipack yan, guys. So, make sure na maganda yung pagkapack para naman ma-surprise talaga ang kanyang misis. We have to put it back in the garage now. Lini! Shush! Careful! You have to go pick up Ate. Alam niyo ba, guys? 2:30 na. Hindi ito natulog. Uy! Ay, tirinakay. It's very pas-pas. And, have a look. She has been crying because she's so sleepy. So, yung magdidi. Sabi ko, hindi ka na matutulog, anak. Kaya super late na. Kailangan na nating umalis. So, nag-stop siyang umiyak kasi binigyan ko siya nito. Pero ngayon, ayaw na niyang mag-stop. Uy. Okay, go back up. Go back up there. Mama will help you. There, that way. Okay, push quick. Tingnan niyo, marag-kurik. So, sa sasakyan na yan siya ngayon matutulog for sure. Look, put it back in the garage. Come on, Ate Paris is waiting there, anak. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung araw ay sobrang sakit sa skin. Nag-jacket, hindi ako nag-change ng damit. Ayan. Nag-change ng kanyang damit kasi kanina, di ba, pang ginaw yun. Ayan, naka-dress si ate. Tingnan niyo naman, naka-Burberry. Alam niyo ba, guys, pinapasuot ko na yung mga damit niyang ganyan kasi kahit na walang tawag dito, okasyon. Kasi lumalaki na siya. So, hindi na niya yan masusuot. Tingnan niyo, very tight ng niya, para ma-enjoy niya yung damit. Kasi after nito, hindi na, papadala na yan sa Pinas. Can we please put it back in the garage now? Huh? Okay. Thank you, Baba. Such a good girl to Mama. Tingnan natin kung ilalagay niya talaga sa garage. Thank you, my love. Mama, appreciate it. Thank you for making Mama very happy. Liko. Ay, kalisod magliko. Are you putting it back in the garage now so we can pick up Ate? Oh, thank you, my love. I really appreciate that. Yeah, you can go in here. You can go in here like a princess. Nating balikbayan ba kasi hindi pa na-start. Oh, are you okay? Do you need Mama's help? Yeah? Okay. Here's the garage. Go in like a princess. Believe mo talaga ako pag pumasok siya ng garage, guys. Because we don't want Ate Paris to wait for so long. Yay! Push! Wow! That's amazing! Oh, tingnan niyo. Mama's gonna help. Here you go. Pumasok talaga siya, guys. Ikaw na talaga, anak. May padede ka. At dahil dyan, may padede ikaw, anak. Ikaw, abis ka!
Hi everybody, I'm going to show you my color.
Look!
Do I actually open?
May invitation pala siya, guys. Mukha ng very sleepy. Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Show me? Oh wow! 2nd of September.
And Georgina's birthday is September.
Yeah, but Georgina's 4th. Okay, there you go. Do you want it? Do you want it? Whoa! It's an invitation. Give me your bag, Ate. Don't just leave your bag there, my love.
And I also have thousands of paper.
What's it?
Thousands of paper.
Okay, give it to him. Come here.
I got this
What about gifts? Aww.
actually from Missy.
For what's this?
Doing.
Doing?
She just doesn't ask about doing.
Okay. Check your height. Wow. Ate Be?
100.
100 and
Soon I will be up to.
maybe you're 100 and here. 100 and
Soon I'll be right.
Two?
Soon I'll be
soon. How about you? Ito, ayan na talaga. Hanggang sa lang, be. Celine lang. It's Celine stand. Ate, it's Celine stand. Okay, go, honey. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa ba ng kanyang powers. Go, check. Come on. Stand against the wall. Stand against the wall. See? Have a look at the Paris. Okay, ate. See? Wow! Ayan na talaga ako. Sasakyan, guys. Andito kami sa harapan ng Woolies kasi pupunta sana kami ng sushi store kasi gutom na gutom ang ate Paris. Gusto niyang mag-sushi. Ngayon, pagkarating ko dito, guys, ang dalawa ay hindi niyo kita. Actually, kanina si Baby Celine, kanina pa yan siya tulog. Before kami pumunta dito, pumunta muna kami ng post office kasi nga diba, ang dami kong kailangan i-post. And I'm very glad na tapos ko na yun. Parang nakahinga ako ng maluwag after. So, nakatulog si Baby Celine noon. And when Ate Paris told me na gusto niyang kumain ng sushi, dinala ko siya dito. Pagtalikod ko, nakatulog din siya. So, ano bang gagawin ko ngayon? I can't do anything else apart from driving around, mag-park or mag-drive kasi tulog yung dalawa. So since ng oras about 4:20, mag-snack na lang ako, guys. Pupunta ako ng McDonald's, mag-drive-thru. Tapos later on, siguro pag kagising nila nito, we'll just go pick up Daddy Mike from the ferry station. Kasi nga, nag-work siya sa office today, diba? Ganun na lang siguro yung plano natin. So, ayan ang resibo. Na-post na natin. Ilang parcels ba yun? 1, 2, 3. 4 na parcels yung pinost natin. Pero yung isang box, 3 bag yung nasa loob. Remember yung sabi ko kanina na sana all. So I hope the wife will love. I hope it's her style. Kasi alam niyo naman, yung mga husband yung mag shopping for the wife. Sometimes it's different from our style, but kung the same kami ng taste, then she's going to love it. Hey, McDonald's na tayo. Himbing na himbing pa rin silang dalawa. Stress ako doon kanina. Daming parcels, but it's good, May mga araw talaga, guys, na tiba talaga. Hindi, may mga araw talaga na may benta, may mga araw din na very quiet. Aking mukha pa, very oily. Oily pa more. Pwede na siyang mapituhan, no? Kailangan ko ng blotting paper. Sa ko to? Skincare.
Oh, can I get food?
Hi, can I please have a double cheeseburger in a large meal?
Yeah, what drink are you after?
Coke, please.
Yeah, anything else?
Can I also get 3 nuggets in Happy Meal?
I think I'll get Happy Meal.
Yes, just water with it.
Yeah, any sauce?
No, all good.
No worries, anything else?
That's all, thank you.
You're good. Graham.
Ta. Finally, andito na rin. Oh, yum. Fries. Got like fries and double cheeseburger. Coke for a drink. And then ito yung for kids later. Ayan, sa Happy Meal. Then just water for them. Ayan. Alright, guys. Pinatipid. Kakain muna ako.
A few moments later.
Say hello? Hello, come on. Say hello.
Hello.
Someone's stealing water, but who? Why? There's a lot of ice cream leading away from the road.
Okay, push. So daddy can come in. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, daddy. Daddy's at the front door. Come on. Look. Okay. Mermaid. Mermaid, daddy's at the front door. Mermaid. Hala, nabungol ang mermaid. Wait, daddy's at the front door. Come on, open the front door. The mermaid. Oh, no, you're going, mermaid. Quick.
No.
I just colored. We'll go open. So, hindi na kami umalis, guys. Hindi na namin pick up si Daddy Mike kanina. Kasi, ito siya sa sasakyan. Binasa niya yung sarili niya. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hindi na lang kami. Oh, tingnan niyo, very naughty, So, sinabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hindi na lang kami pupunta dyan para pick upin ka kasi basang-basa kailangan na namin umuwi.
Mommy?
Yes?
Mama?
Umorder na lang si Daddy Mike ng pizza, guys. Pinadeliver niya. Ayun na siya sa baba para kunin. So, dito na lang kami kakain sa bahay. Kasi, sabi niya, nung dumating siya ng ferry station, talagang gusto na niyang pumunta ng toilet. So, sabi niya, uuwi na lang ako. Tapos, he ordered it while he's on his way home. So, sabay sila pagdating ng pagkain. And sabi niya, we will just get ice cream later. Anong oras na ba? I'm not sure what time is 7 o'clock. Tapos sumaya, ewan ko, maglalakad sila papunta doon. Malapit lang naman. Mag-ano ng ice cream. Kasi Friday naman di ba? Bukas lang trabaho.
Open?
Okay, you open?
I want that. I want it.
Happen? What is it, Ling?
Pink.
What's this?
Oh!
It's Nini.
What is it?
Pizza.
Nini.
Say
Can you say
pizza.
pizza?
No, Sasha.
Pizza.
Yeah, no, Daddy.
Okay, Lenny, you open. That's yours and Paris's. This is mommy and daddy.
Oh, is that somewhere else? Why?
Try something good.
Huh?
Just want to try this one.
Tingnan nyo ang hinahanap ko. Nandito pala, oh. Nilayo ko na nga yung table, guys, para hindi siya makaakyat. Tingnan nyo. Andyan pa rin siya. How did you get up there? Tingnan mo ko.
Oh, no.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody. Tingnan nyo. May microphone yan siya dyan.
Everybody.
Celine is a mermaid too. Show me, babe. How did you get up there? Are you Spider Woman?
Okay.
Okay, tingnan nyo. La. Oh my God.
Mommy. Here we have.
Sino kong mabagtak ba ya? La. Ah, ganyan pala, nak. Ah,
Our body is a mermaid. That's Nini.
oh my God. La. La. Tingnan nyo, nagbahay-bahayan sila, guys. Uy, tingnan nyo. Ginawan ko sila ng bahay, oh. Sila na talaga ang malaki ang bahay. Sana all malaki ang bahay, nak?
Babe house.
Ha?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like your house?
Yeah. I love it.
That's good. Tingnan silang dalawa naglalaro na, guys. Nagkakaintindihan na silang dalawa.
Night in the silent sight, I hear footsteps. Who's that coming? I see a ghost. Oh no. I see a ghost. Happy Halloween. I see a ghost. Is it father saying sing? A ghost.
I see a ghost.
Oh no. Oh no.
I see.
Ghost. Ha ha ha. I feel.
It's Halloween night.
I just
Not a soul inside.
I hear footsteps. Who's that coming? I see a ghost. No. Frankenstein. Actually, I sing again. Ghost. Halloween night in a Halloween sight. I hear footsteps. Who's that coming? I see a Frankenstein. Oh no! I see a Frankenstein. Guys.
Guys,
I wanna be
Ma-
where the poos are.
Look, see? She's telling you.
Auntie, my ghost.
Ate is a ghost.
Halloween night in the Halloween sight. I hear a voice.
Yeah, I know. Ate's wrong?
I see a ghost. Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
I see a ghost.
Yeah, I
I can
know.
sing the Little Mermaid crazy.
They are drinking their milk now, guys.
And guys.
Guys, we'll be ready for bed.
And guys, you know what? I can sing the Little Mermaid. It's so funny. I'll show you. Look at this poo. Isn't that neat? Look at this poo. Look at this poo. Isn't it neat? Pretty?
What is it?
Yeah.
Huh? Do you want more?
No. I want to see. Look
No more?
funny on their face.
Careful, please. Careful.
Haha,
Careful, please.